Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will continue analyzing some meme coins that have a market cap above 20 million market cap, because normally those are the meme coins that when they decrease in the range of 50 to 100 times from their all-time high, they have the potential to come back, because normally many people traded them, and many people are waiting for a good dip to buy them again and increase, and therefore the token increases in price. Yesterday we were creating a watch list of new tokens that have a market cap above 20 million dollars. But today I will show you at the beginning a list that I built during the last couple of months. It's a watch list where I added some meme coins that that had a big market cap, and right now some of them decrease a lot and some of them are pumping. And the purpose is to check the patterns of meme coins, so we can observe when they typically go up again in price, and that's when we can take advantage of that pumps. So let's do it. Here it is the watch list, and with some tokens. And for example, let's analyze some tokens today. For example, this one here is called Mist. This token right now it has a market cap of 1.5 million dollars. Good liquidity too, 370K. And let's observe the pattern of this token. I am putting the chart in the day range. We can observe here I am changing to market cap instead of price on the chart. Let's wait until it appears. So here right now you can observe that this token, since its launch, it went up until 40 million market cap, and then it has decreased a lot. We can observe here, and let's increase the chart to see it has decreased approximately 100x from its all-time high, and right now it has pumped again. So that is a typical pattern of many meme coins, especially those ones above 20, 30 million market cap. And I will keep showing you some other example of coins. So the idea, as I told you yesterday, it's to try to invest some money. Of course, this is not financial advice. You trade at your own risk. I am just giving you some information and telling you how I've seen during my years in crypto how the tokens behave. So you can also take advantage of that, but at your own risk, and with the money that you really, even if you lose it, because we never know what can happen with a meme coin. It's not 100% sure. But normally the patterns repeat, and we can take advantage of that. So the idea for this token was to buy it at the price that it's 100 times less than the top of the all-time high. In this case, it was 40 million market cap. It went until approximately 400K, that it's 100x decrease, and then it did from 400K approximately until let's say 24. It went 6x, so it's a good profit, actually, a good comeback. Let's check another token as well to observe similar patterns. Let's check where there are tokens that have big market cap here. I think above 100 million. So I think it's better to wait until they will decrease more. We can check, for example, another. Let's let's check. Let's check this one. This one, for example. This is just a fine token. Let's see if it has a potential to come back. Normally they come back if the Twitter has some posts, and also if the developers are talking on the Telegram group, they are just planning to do something. For example, this token went up until, let's observe, 30 million market cap. It went up very, very quickly. And well, let's see its pattern. Well, this really collapsed. Approximately, well, this token went down approximately until 65K. Well, sometimes it is very hard to catch the dip, but anyway, even as I was talking yesterday, and as well for some experience, even if the token goes down more on the time that we bought, if it really if it really grew after 20-30 million market cap, it has the big potential to make a comeback. So imagine you bought here, but you didn't catch the dip, then you do another DCA here, like for example you buy here $100, you didn't catch the DCA, and then if you bought another 100 here, right now your first 100 you recover, and you have gains on the second $100 that you invested on the dip. But yeah, sometimes they never grew up, especially when the developers are like delete the website or don't post on Twitter. But if there is still some movement on social media, they normally come back as this one. So here 100x profit, probably it will go up, and you can just go to the Twitter or Telegram to see if there are some news on this token. But anyway, this one grew up already, and let's check another one. This one, for example, Department of Gov Efficiency. This yeah, I follow this token. Actually, I took some profits also in this token. I have to say, and this token went up. It was not on the first date, but anyway, here it was a big bump. And normally on meme coins, when there is a big quick pump, sometimes there is a decrease, but it lasts for days, like really days. And normally the traders, they don't wait, they don't have patience, and they end up selling. And actually, if really it's you can observe here that if a token it went really up on market cap after a big dump, there is a recovery. And let's see, this token decrease approximately from 100 million market cap. It went literally, it dumped approximately until 2 million market cap, let's say it. and right now it has done approximately 3 to 4x. And yeah, usually it's in the range. There is the risk, like when they decrease between 50, 100, and sometimes a bit more, you can start trading a bit. Even if it decreases 50, you can just buy something, and it keeps decreasing. You just buy a little bit more. So when the comeback occurs, you recover your first investment, and you have profits in your next in your next buy that it was in the buy that you did to DCA the token. That is normally how I do it, and according to my experience, it works most of the time. And yeah, let's check another token just to keep observing some patterns of the meme coins. Let's check, for example, this one. And then we pass to the watch list. We continue creating the watch list that we started yesterday, and just see which tokens are decreasing, and try to analyze when they could potentially come back. Okay, this token, it grew up directly to 30 million market cap, and then it has a decrease approximately, let's say, the 200x. Well, here it was the, let's say, yeah, between 100 and 200x. But here it could have been a good opportunity to do a DCA. Just yeah, it could have been good to buy something at 100x decrease, dump from the all-time high. In this case, it's around 300k market cap. It could have been like the first trial. Sometimes they just pump after the 100x decrease. Sometimes when they decrease 50 times, but it's still risky to buy just 50 times the decrease from the all-time high. So I would say it's more secure to buy when they dump 100 times. And yeah, you didn't catch, let's say here, the 100 times decrease. You just could have DCA'd a little bit more in the 200 in the 200 x decrease, and when it pumps again, your first investment you recover without profit, and you actually profit in the next buy that you did DCAing. So like this, there are many tokens, and normally most of them, I would say a big portion of those tokens, they have the same pattern. So it's a good opportunity that you can take to really trade. They start like buying something at 50x maybe, or 100x, and sometimes at 200x decrease, and when it goes up, just take some profits at 1x, 2x, because after that they have a big probability to really grow up again, 10x to 100x. But normally I don't believe that much in that. I prefer to just take profits at 1x, and then I quit, because after that they do a small comeback. Many of the tokens, they really die, and as there are many tokens created every day, and the money on cryptocurrency is transferred, because there are many tokens created, so the money from the old meme coins are transferred to the new meme coins. And indeed, in crypto, you are just taking money from other people. It's like that how it works, and yeah, it's there are many trading strategies in crypto, but according to my experience, this one is the one that works for me, and that's why I am sharing it with you to see if you can also take advantage of this information. So right now, let's continue checking new tokens that are new and that are above 30 million market cap, and we are going to add them to the watch list, and we will be following them during the next weeks and see when it could be a good opportunity to buy them. And also we can check the social media of the tokens. We check just quickly the Telegram group to see if the developers are typing something, if they are posting as well something on Twitter, and and quickly we can check also the websites of those tokens, because sometimes the links of of the websites, they don't work anymore. So those tokens, actually there is not very little probability. If the developers abandon the project, they have a extremely low chance to go back again. But if the developers are still there, they have a quick comeback, and we need to take advantage of those pumps again. So let's continue adding more tokens to the watch list that we created yesterday. So yesterday we added these tokens to the watch list. We can just observe how they they behave during the 24 hours. There is well, the market caps you can see here, and I am just organizing them by the one that has decreased the most during the last 24 hours. We can check this one, for example, corporate audit AI. It's a token that has good liquidity for the market cap of approximately 14 million. It has a good liquidity, and let's see. It grew up until 35 million market cap. Right now it's decreasing, so I predict a decrease maybe during the next week, of a decrease of 100x from its all-time high, and maybe it can be a good opportunity to just put some money, like a 100x, maybe starting a bit at 50x decrease, and then 100x, a little bit more of DCA, and maybe if it decreases a little bit more, just a little bit more on DCA, because if the website will still active and it will be movement on social media, it has a huge potential to come back. So we will check on the next weeks what will happen with this token. But it has a good trading volume, so that means that many people are trading them, and when this token will dump, many people will remember this token and they will come back here to pump it in price again. And the other tokens, let's organize it by market cap. Those ones, I think they have a big market cap, so I'm not sure it's a good idea to be checking at them unless they decrease 50 times or 100 times from its top. Well, this token was because of the tweet of Elon Musk, and we checked at this one yesterday. It has decreased how much? It went to 50 million. 50 million. It has decreased approximately 20x, right? And I think it could decrease 100x. At 100x, I think, or 50x to 100x. Just I think it will consolidate a little bit, and then it will pump a little bit, like maybe 1x, and then it will die. That is my prediction. Let's see what will happen. Right now, I mean, it's approximately 20x decrease. I mean, it can be a good opportunity if you want to gamble here. It's possible because it seems it's consolidating, but anyway, I prefer them to me on my case. I prefer them to decrease 50 to 100 x, a little bit more. That normally they have that pattern. But anyway, I think it could be a good opportunity as well to check if it camps if it goes up in price again. Well, let's check right now to more tokens to add to the list. We can we can just check if in the 6 hour range there are some tokens that have a good market cap. This one, for example, it's about 20 million. So I think it was a successful token that grew up a lot. And well, as I told you yesterday, me personally, I don't like to trade at the beginning of the token because I just know that there are some group of people that they pump it. There are some institutions, some group of people, and they just pump the token, and after they pump it, they just show you, for example, on the X screener, because they show you because they want to have liquidity exit, and they do the marketing after they pump. That's why I don't like it that much. It's very 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 hard to find tokens that will pump that much, and they literally grow from 5,000 to 80,000 market cap. They grow up until 20 million, 30 million, but it's very hard to find them at the beginning. They are an institution. There's a group of people that do that, and they are just doing pump and dumps. It's how it works. This part of cryptocurrency, meme coins on Solana, it's literally like that how it works. And me, I don't like to enter to that game. I prefer to wait until it goes down, it consolidates, and then just pumps up a bit again, and I just sell at 1x, sometimes 50%, or sometimes 2x, and I leave because it's after that the token will die. The money is just transferred to new tokens. And well, let's put this token on our main watch list, and let's observe on the next weeks. If it will decrease, that I am sure it will decrease 100x, 200x from the top. Okay, so I think this one, it's a good one as well. 37 million market cap, and yeah, it has a good liquidity for the market cap of almost 37 million. It seems it's an AI token. Yeah, here they pumped it. Well, here it went to 40, decreased 5x, and it's going up again. Yeah, probably this is a pattern that will decrease again. That I think. So we just keep it on the watch list, and if it goes very down in price, it can be a good opportunity to trade. So let's check another tokens. This one, almost 45 million market cap. It's trending number 13 on the screener today. It has a good liquidity, 1.2 million. It's good liquidity for this market cap, and Yeah, again, tokens that are pumped by a group of people, institutions that trade meme coins professionally. So let's just keep it and let's wait for the dump. Okay, let's see other tokens. This I think maybe maybe this token went above 20 million market cap. It has good liquidity as well. And also, when you trade tokens, do not forget to check the audit, that there are no issues here. Do not never forget that. Check that the liquidity is locked. That is always. Well, this token, well, it has grown until 30 million market cap. So I think it is worth it to save it on our watch list. We just okay, they have a problem here to save it. Just refresh the page here. Let's wait a little bit until it's refreshing. And okay, it seems I cannot load. Well, anyway, I need to just wait me a minute. I'm fixing this. Okay, right now it's on the watch list, and okay, let's check. It's just a couple of tokens more. I don't see. Well, maybe this one. Well, this one it's already, if I don't make a mistake, on the watch list. It was trending like two weeks ago. It was really trending. Let's wait until it charges. It's a 95 million market cap. It's very high. Well, let's just put the daily chart. Okay, this went until 250. Yeah, probably let's wait until 2 million market cap, 100x from the top. It's already on the watch list. And well, during the day tomorrow, I will be adding more tokens to the watch list. If you know some good tokens as well to add to the watch list to track them together during the next days, just type them on the comments, and we can check it. We can check the chart tomorrow if it has good liquidity, especially. And maybe if the social media like website, Twitter, Telegram, they are still active. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and see you tomorrow.